Then we have president team members, but most of our young people, they went to the conference, and for the first time, they saw young people out of Uganda, president team member. They saw Janet and Andrew Bugimbi as a president team member, and they said, are you kidding me? Young people can become a president team member? That was what opened the eyes of every single one. That yes, you can be young and become a president team member. And every young person out of Nigeria from that whole team conference said, what will become, we're going to have a brand new young people becoming a president team member. And wow, it's become a reality for us in Nigeria. Young people stepping up into leadership and taking ownership of their lives. And today I want to bring some of those individuals out to share their story. We have a brand new one diamond director of the sisters in the business. Today I'm going to bring them on stage to share their story, how the business has impacted their lives, how their life is transformed, and how they see the future in our business. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to welcome Sakirat and Sukurat. You can do better. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sabu. Honestly, it's a dream come true. Tijani Seki is my name. Here is my sister, Tijani Sukurat. We signed up with Neolife Opportunity some years ago. Before we joined Neolife Opportunity, I happen to be a hairdresser. My sister here is a barber.
2 in 1.
We operate Unisex Salon in Lagos. We are from Lagos State. We found a business in Lagos. Our shop was demolished. Then we went back home to start working. I work as hairdresser under the tree, while my sister went to go and join a sales girl. So I was working under the tree to make a life better, to be successful, because we are from poor background. We are very, very poor. We come out from this background whereby when you come back from school, you have to go out to go and hawk 1 or 2 things before you can survive. We found Neolife through our great leader here, Mr. Monday. After coming back under the tree, we're hustling, then we're praying to God for a life-changing opportunity. On a great day, somebody walking into our compound. The person came to come and look for somebody. I think they invited that person, one of my friends, to a seminar about a week ago, as at then. And this guy told me that whenever this person comes, Seki, tell them I am not around. So that is how we asked, what are you people looking for this guy for? And they take us to the seminar. We listen to the program, everything, the sparking. At first we don't understand the sparking, but later we become the sparker. All we are hearing that way is a spark. You make it. And we sit down. It's a lot of talk and the rest, and we check our lifestyle with our dream as a day. It's not compatible. There is no way we can make it as hairdresser, and there is no way she can make it as a barber, because my mother is a barber. My eldest sister is a barber.
Wow. You know.
That's barber in the sister.
Yes.
Give me the barber share.
Baba dear.
We are from a family of 6. All the children in the family have handwork. So we solve the problem of the family with our handwork. Maybe the house is leaking, we have carpenter, we have mechanic, we have radionic. My father is a very wise man. So he balanced the equation. So whenever we have any issues to solve, there are 1 or 2 persons that will settle it without spending. Yeah, there is no money to do that. So we found the opportunity we started the business. With the motivation, the ginger, we keep on. What do? They say empower people. We bring in friends, family, some stop. They say they are not doing. Some join. And some continue with us. Some later stop at the journey. But we keep on. We build a business gradually from distributor, manager, senior manager, director, emirate. This is the third time in our business of picking double step. As a director, yes.
Give me the Baba share.
Baba Diron.
From a family of 6, all the children in the family have handwork. So we solve the problem of the family with our handwork. Maybe the house is leaking, we have carpenter, we have mechanic, we have radionic. My father is a very wise man. So he balanced the equation. So whenever we have any issues to solve, there are 1 or 2 persons that will settle it without spending. Yeah, there is no money to do that. So we found the opportunity, we started the business. With the motivation, the ginger, we keep on. What do? They say empower people. We bring in friends, family, some stop. They say they are not doing. Some join. And some continue with us. Some later stop at the journey. But we keep on. We build a business gradually from distributor, manager, senior manager, director, emirate. This is the third time in our business of picking double step. As a director, we pick that step towards to Sapphire. And we build the business from Sapphire, we become 1 ruby, 2 ruby. From 2 ruby, we become a 4 ruby. As a 4 ruby, we like 5 ruby, but we want to make money of diamond. So from 4 ruby, we build the business crazily, passionately. Today we are 1 diamond director. We are so happy and excited to be a 1 diamond director today. It has been my dream. I remember many conferences like this when I will be sitting and I will see diamond directors coming out. I want to be a diamond. I love it. And by the grace of God, 5 diamond is the whole. 5 diamond, that's the whole. Because we have confirmed from our great leaders that it is possible. It is real. It's original. I'm sure by the grace of God we shall get there. Amen. We love Neolife. I believe one of the reasons why we are here today is because of the love we have for Neolife International. Because I believe anything you don't love, you cannot put passion in that thing. Anything you did not love, in Yoruba land, they say love, ife, onya, koja, ofin, that you can do and undo for something you truly love. If you love that thing, you will give it what it takes to have that thing. So we love Neolife. We love the lifestyle, the traveling, the achievements. And we have seen that this company can change our life. And we put in our efforts. We are the last one of the family. I'm the number 6. My sister is the second to the last, number 5. In fact, it was our 8th brother that was invited. But we end up the firstborn. But we, the last one, are the one doing it today.
For no choice.
Neolife is wonderful. It's wonderful. We have achieved a lot. Honestly, Neolife has really changed our life. Building the business, we like traveling. But before the main traveling, we have traveled locally. One of the things we like to do in the business is we are mobile leaders. We visit our training centers in different parts of Nigeria. We go to our team members. We go and work on them, work with them, so that the dream can come true. And thanks to Neolife for their support. In all the part of Nigeria, I can say we have visited most of the states in Nigeria because of Neolife. Another thing is we love the Neolife basic. Me especially, I don't joke with the basic. I love the basic. Use the product, share the product, talk to people. We don't joke with it. Even as we are here, on our way from Nigeria, we still register somebody directly from Nigeria. We're coming and we're doing the following up. So we love the basic of the business. I believe one of the things that affects so many people is that word, baba. Even as a leader, we still get involved in the business, get involved in the basic. We do the basic every day, because our greatest aim is 5 diamond. I'm happy today we are here as a 1 diamond director, and by the grace of God, we are coming back as a more higher diamond director. By God's grace. Thanks to Neolife. Wow. Thanks to everybody. We shall move to the